This is big news, too. A North Carolina-based company just got the FDA's first approval for the country's first test for COVID-19 at home. LabCorp's Pixel test kits will initially be made available to healthcare workers and first responders, but the company hopes to make them available to the public in the coming weeks. And a local company also playing a big role in the at-home testing effort. New at 6, WCNC Charlotte's Brandon Goldner shows us how Gastonia-based Parkdale Mills is making the nasal swabs for test kits. Brandon, what do these swabs look like?
These synthetic swabs are similar to a Q-tip you find in the store, the difference being that these ends aren't made of cotton, they're made of polyester.
Reminds you of this, right? One's a swab, one's a Q-tip.
President Donald Trump unveils what the future of COVID-19 testing will look like.
It's very sophisticated, actually, but it's a little bit like, so this is the swab.
His briefing comes a few days after the FDA gave Gastonia-based Parkdale Mills the green light to battle a nationwide swab shortage. The company's subsidiary, U.S. Cotton, will make them at its Cleveland plant. Its president, John Nims, says they'll begin manufacturing them this week.
We're pretty excited about being able to do that and help.
The FDA approved the company's design following a clinical investigation, which included United Health Group, Quantigen, and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation.
And as we get people trained on the different process, we'll go 7/24 and make as many as we can for as long as these swabs are needed.
He says the swabs can be used at healthcare testing sites and in your own home. NIMS estimates they'll be able to make about 3 million swabs a week, but as they gain more experience making those swabs, they hope to expand that number even more. In Gastonia, Brandon Goldner, WCNC Charlotte.